This is my new car, and it's day 2 of writing all my followers' names on raffle tickets. And today I have my cousin.
Hello there.
And she's gonna help me go through my comment section to start writing down your guys' names.
Okay, let's go. That's adorable.
We just got done writing down literally every single person's name who commented on the last video. So pause this and try to find your name because it's definitely there.
I'm gonna write my own name down since you said you were giving away an Apple Watch next week.
I haven't even told you guys that yet. I really hope you don't win. I just found a name that Chloe wrote down that isn't even following me. So Lindsay NC, please don't comment if you're not following me. At the end of this series, I'm giving away an Xbox, but also giving away smaller prizes every week to random followers. This is gonna be full by the end, I promise.
Make sure you're following to enter.